Hello and welcome to this introduction to the Beyond series of workshops. I'm Gordon Symons. I'm the creator and presenter of Beyond, and I'm here to give you a short introduction and hoping that it'll be enough for you to be able to decide if this is the right next step for you on your psychosynthesis journey. Well, what is Beyond? Beyond is not a course, really. It is a journey. It's a personal and spiritual journey from where you are to who you most deeply are. The first workshop, you'll concentrate on your early life, your first 20 years, and how your personality was formed, the influences that formed you. You'll also identify how your roles and subpersonalities have shaped your sense of self. In the second workshop, you'll do some deeper work on subpersonalities that you think are impeding your spiritual and personal growth. And you'll also, through visualizations, guided visualizations, have an opportunity to open yourself more to the light and the love of your higher self, so that it will help you to transform your living. Well, I'd like to give you a few quotes from people who've done the program, if that's okay. The first is Luigi. He said, "Beyond is a beautiful and enriching course that leads us to reflect and see ourselves anew." Kathy said, "What better way to honor your life than to understand, accept, manage, and like who you really are by finding your true self." And Louise said, "Beyond is transformative. The insights that have emerged from the inspirational teaching, the imaginative experiential exercises, and the compassionate conversations will be of lifelong benefit." Well, it will be a great pleasure for me to welcome you if you join the program, and I hope I've said enough to help you to decide. Thank you for listening.